If you signed up for the Discord, it's the members channel. Members channel. I posted the link in the announcements. Yeah, I mean, I could see some downside today for sure. So, alrighty, let's go ahead and let's get to the news here. So, if you guys are just joining us here on YouTube, welcome. Good morning. So this morning, stock index futures rose after major streaming Netflix posted a reversal in customer losses, but concerns over rising interest rates weighed on the overall mood and looked to set a stall the recent rally of Wall Street. European shares were little changed as investors fretted about runaway inflation and aggressive monetary policy tightening, even as upbeat corporate earnings soothed some fears about a recession. Japan stocks closed higher, tracking overnight gains on Wall Street. Chinese stocks closed lower as investors were cautious and uncertainties about the Communist Party Congress, even as a raft and state-backed large asset managers announced measures to stabilize the market. Gold prices fell as the US dollar rose on bets of more steep interest rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. Oil was higher amid plenty of caution on bullish signals like falling US crude stocks, and generally undersupplied markets were countered by bearish factors such as uncertain Chinese demand growth and falling gas prices. So on the economic calendar for today, as you guys can see, Wednesday, we've got building permits, housing starts. Those have already come out. Building permits close. Looks like a little bit under on housing starts. We've got crude oil inventories at 10:30, Beige Book and FOMC Bullard, or Beige Book's at 2, and then FOMC Bullard speaking at 6:30. Um, Already. So, of course, Netflix, the streaming giant, reversed customer losses that had hammered its stocks this year and projected more growth ahead, reassuring Wall Street that it is prepared to offer a new streaming option with advertising. Shares of Netflix jumped in after hours trading, boosted by the company's forecast that it would pick up 4.5 million customers in the fourth quarter. Thank God we're done with shrinking quarters, said co-CEO Reed Hastings, adding to the company to continue gathering momentum by focusing on content, marketing, and lower price plan advertising. So, alrighty. So we got the economic calendar, of course, today. It's important to remember. Hey, what's up, William? Make sure to tap your screen, you guys. If you guys hanging out with me today. But today we've got Yield Tesla. We've got IBM after the bell. We've had Abbott and Procter and Gamble. Alcoa is coming in. Alcoa, whatever, coming in after the bell. So those are the ones that I'm going to be really focused on. Snapchat is hopping in tomorrow. I may take a little bit of play. This one may end up popping this quarter just on lowered guidances. So we'll see and take a look at that one. But anyway, let's see here. Pull that forward. All right. So as of today, I will watch Tesla. This one on the 4 hour, as you guys can see, candles are sitting on top, right? It doesn't matter if we opened up below, that's significant enough sign for downside, right? If we opened up below 217.71, that's awesome. So if we fake out to the downside, I'm not really going to play this down until and right here at the bell, you can see on the lower time frame, it's in trend, right? It's almost got like a head and shoulders. So right now I've got 215.80 to the downside on Meta, or excuse me, on Tesla, and then potentially a bounce around 212 if that level is broken. But I will still keep in mind that there can and will be anything over 224.42 or pre-market highs. That's where I would be looking to enter into a lighter size position and then wait for a break. But Tesla IB is likely going to be full, and if I decide not to trade it, that'll probably be the reason. That moves me along to the. Can I zoom in more on the screen? I am live on YouTube as well. All right. Hopefully it's a little bit better. All right. So anyway, Meta, as you guys can see, candle close. Going to be watching that higher time frame. Watching for a bounce off of 131.55. There's a gap to fill to the upside. And this one also is carrying that bear flag type energy, which means that this bundling